Hello guys and welcome to Kitchen Colony. On this channel, I'll be bringing to you a taste of Jamaican inspired meals with a twist to suit every palate. Please remember guys to hit that like button, it means a lot. This week I'll be making eggplant pizza. Before we move on, let me just take this time to thank my subscribers, old and new, and also my viewers. Thank you for coming back faithfully every week. Eggplant is a spongy and absorbent fruit, but it is often considered a vegetable. It can be prepared in various ways, and today I'll be showing you another enjoyable way to eat this fruit. To make this dish, we're going to need some onion, hot pepper, bell peppers, and some mushroom. Now, the star of the show is the eggplant or aubergine. I have here some sun-dried tomatoes. Here I have some powdered seasoning mixed in some oil. Next, we'll need some vegan cheddar cheese. And here we have, I have some vegetable meatballs which I've crushed. I'll put a link in the description box. Let's prepare the aubergine. Now we're going to remove the top. And then we're going to cut it in two. Evenly, if you can. That's as even as I can get her. Now in order to draw the water from this one, we're just going to sprinkle some salt and allow it to drain for about 10 minutes, and then we wash it off and then we prepare for cooking. In the meantime, while this is happening, I'm going to go to the stove and start the frying. Now turn it over to allow it to drain. And some sun-dried tomato, I'm going to chop them. Now the reason for using these, eggplant is very mushy, and we try to avoid anything with liquid, too much liquid, so we use a dried tomato instead. Now we're going to use about a tablespoon of oil to fry off our vegetables, and we want them to lose most of the liquid in them, so we're going to fry the mushroom first. We're going to allow it to fry for a few minutes before we add the others. And while we're waiting on this, let's go over to the aubergine and prepare it for the oven. Now it's time to bake. I'm going to wipe the salt from the aubergine or eggplant. And I'm using a damp paper towel. Now I'm going to use a little oil, not on the fruit, the vegetable itself, but around it, so that we're going to stick in. After 5 minutes, it's time to add the other vegetables, and I've added another tablespoon of oil to fry the others. So we're putting in the rest and allowing it to fry, including the dried tomatoes. Now I'm going to adjust my stove. Just turn it down now a little lower and allow this to cook until it's soft. And this is actually the topping for the aubergine. We're going to roast the eggplant for 15 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 Fahrenheit until they're soft. For 15 minutes. Yeah. Now that this is softened the way I like, I'm going to add just a teaspoon of garlic paste. And then mix it well and then turn the stove off because we don't want our garlic to burn. Now this is vegan cheddar and it is so creamy. It's made from coconut and it is so creamy. Trust me, it tastes just as good as the regular dairy cheddar. Halfway through, I'm going to take it out and brush it with the seasoned oil and put it back in. And this is preventing it from drying out too much. Now it depends on your oven, you know, how fast it works. You might need a longer time. Put it in and let it continue cooking until it's soft. Now let's check. I think they're soft enough for us to start putting on the filling. Alright, and I'm going to do it right here before the oven. What I'm going to do is just use a knife to core it so that it becomes, I want to create a little well so that the filling can go inside. Because it's partially cooked now. That's it. I'm going to fill with the meat and spread it. Spread it nicely. Remember, this is vegetable meatball, and I've added a little oil to make it pliable. Use it to spread. I have a video for this meatballs and we'll link it at the end so you can get it. Put it in for another 5 minutes. 5 more minutes. Just 5 minutes. Let's pull it out now. After 5 minutes. Now it's time to put the vegetable that we had cooked earlier on top, and this is the final stage. I'm going to do the others and come back. We add our cheese. You add as much as you want. And then put it in for another 5 minutes and allow it to melt. I'm going to add to the rest and come back. Put it back in for another 5 minutes or until the cheese melts. Now it's time to take it out, and it has melted. Now here we have it, guys, all done. It was so soft. It was not only colorful, but it was also flavorful. Because of its spongy nature, it absorbed all the flavors. This is a must try. Guys, I start thinking differently about eggplants now because of how easy it is to absorb flavors and become very tasty quickly. The vegetables were not overcooked, they were crunchy, and the cheese complemented it wonderfully. It was soft and yet crunchy. It was tasty and spicy, all in one. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched, then please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. I do enjoy making these videos for you, and I do appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.